Hi, I'm Sony artisan Brian Smith, and I'm here to talk to you today about the 5 biggest portrait photography mistakes, starting with number 5. Now, I'm much more of a doer than a donor, but play along. Number 5, don't forget about the importance of the background. Whether you're just shooting with a clean look like we've got here, against white seamless, or a background that's got a lot of detail and information on location, background plays a huge role in every portrait shoot. Number 4, don't underestimate the importance of lighting. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of portrait photography. Get it right when you shoot, don't try to fix it later in post. Number 3, for focus, do not use center AF with focus recompose. If you've ever sat on the other side of a camera and the photographer keeps going up and down or side to side, it can practically make you seasick. Take advantage of technology like real-time eye autofocus. More of your images will be sharp and you won't make your subject sick in the process. Number 2, don't fiddle around with the settings in your camera in the middle of the shoot. Know your camera in advance. Make sure that everything is set up and ready to go, and then put all your attention on your subject, not the back of your camera. And my number 1 tip, don't forget that your subject is a human being. Keep the interaction with your subject. Don't sit there endlessly reviewing images on your LCD. Set your EVF for auto review where the image pops up for a second or two so you can stay connected with your subject and keep them engaged. Subscribe to this channel, then check out my next video to see what's in my bag for run and gun portrait photography.